3:45 in the morning. We're about to try to do the Festive 500 in one go. 500 Ks, one ride. I hope there's pizza. All right.
Welcome to Sigma Sports. It's closed again.
It's closed again?
The fact that we're leaving for a ride while people are coming home for the night out tells me this is a nuts thing to do. Not breaking 200 watts here was a new challenge.
It's really hard, isn't it?
Nice and slow. This is going to be a long day.
So first stop in today's ride, it's going to be Regent's Park. We're meeting little Jake on the way. He's going to give us a wheel to follow for the first bit. We're aiming for about 100 Ks just in Regent's Park before heading to Cambridge. Cambridge and back should be another 200 K, then do a Windsor run, and then finish it off with laps of the ballet loop in the park. Hey! How are you?
This is too early.
You have a lot less hair than I last saw you.
I do have a lot less hair.
Amazing.
It's gone somewhere.
Thanks for coming out this early to see us.
No worries, man.
You think we're going to be okay? No. First stop.
70k in or something.
73.
Still 7 AM.
So far feeling good. So far. Double sandwich to start things off. You could probably turn that upside down and it wouldn't empty out.
No, we're not going to be riding anywhere if I can't sort out this helmet strap.
What are you doing?
Just getting warm or staying warm.
Hey! Can't miss Helena, can you?
Good morning, you nutter.
Are you looking forward to the ride?
Bold be seen.
Jazzy Jeff, yeah.
I don't know.
Good Atticus ambassadorship there, be bold, be seen. It's literally like be bold, isn't it? This one.
Yeah.
How are you?
Alright, but
Oh,
I think
I'm a bit there.
Christmas has caught up with me.
You're going to do the 500 Ks with us?
I'm gonna try and do as much as I can. Like, and see. Like my heart, I was just saying my heart rate over here just cycled over and it was about 180. My max heart rate is
450.
well, it's normally 202, so that's pretty
Hi.
It's because he's so big, all the blood's got to get all the way around his body.
First puncher of the day.
Only puncture of the day.
I reckon we'll be back about 6ish.
Back to Richmond.
Yeah.
I finished work at 5, so that works.
Is this where we say goodbye? Thank you so much for the wheel.
Oh, well.
You've been behind us the whole time, actually. Will we see you later on?
Yes, after work. I'm going to come and rejoin. And
Jake, you've lost your earring.
oh, cheers. Yeah.
Savage pants.
We're now 130 Ks in. Legs still feeling pretty good. Try to keep it under 200 watts if we can. Not really based on any science. Definitely exceeding that on the hill slightly. About 35k, maybe slightly more till we get to Cambridge, and then coffee. Rainbow Road from Mario Kart.
Oh my god, Mario Kart! Welcome to Cambridge!
Nice, Cambridge big church. Nice. Says no bicycles.
That would be an ecumenical question.
I'm a historian.
Yeah.
Right, we've made it to Cambridge. We're pretty desperate for some food now. 171.2 kilometres done. I have a feeling though, once we get some food, I'm going to feel okay.
Andrew's going to ride back with us too.
Yeah?
I'm not.
You just get in the train on your own? God, just ride back with us.
Sit there and be miserable on the train.
Because I've done my 86k.
Thought you were cool. You used to be cool, Nick.
Yeah, I did, I'm afraid.
If today is a failure, which it won't be, the one thing that was worth it was that we did the Rainbow Road from Mario Kart. We met a man who we couldn't film because he was strange. He got very angry with you.
No, I said, we're doing 500k. And he went, you're not.
You're not. And then he was,
Maybe he's right, and then we're not going to
500.
finish this ride.
Yeah, it's the Mandela effect where we're all asleep.
Let's do this thing.
That was awful.
Ride where he wants.
What is this thing, Adam?
This is a busway, which is like a tramway but for buses that have 4 wheels. goes to Addenbrooke's Hospital. And it's the boring company from Elon Musk.
Yeah.
This is the quick transportation system for Rob Quirk, built especially for him. This is the inaugural ride. Look at him, he's loving it. As you may well know, DNA was discovered in Cambridge by Crick and Watson. This is a DNA trail, and it's the equivalent length of if a DNA strand was laid out and scaled up, but it was also the inspiration for the Mario Kart Rainbow Road course.
This isn't fun anymore, Francis.
I never promised you it would be fun.
No, you're right. I guess that's why I'm not doing it all.
I don't know what happened to this tailwind I promised everyone either.
I think we had it.
Sort of in our faces.
Yeah.
Right, we're still heading back into London. Next stop, petrol station of some sort. Need to refuel, get some water. Still looking all right for daylight. We're hoping to get back and hit up the inner circle of Regent's Park because it was so flat. Biggest problem for me, I woke up with no hearing in my right ear. Not ideal. Oh, that's nasty. Celsius excited. What?
Cheese.
No, not. You've just been complaining for the last 2 hours that your stomach hurts. Don't eat cheese. Yeah.
I get me back to London, yeah. You picked all the rides that I hate the most and put them into one big day.
Yeah, and then invited you.
Yeah. I've never done Cambridge, to be fair. But it's
How
like,
can you say it's your least
well,
favourite?
no, it is like
Only
lapping
ride you're gonna
Regents, riding to Windsor fucking sucks.
We're not doing that anymore, though.
Yeah.
Cannot bend this knee.
It gets dark in about 50 minutes. We're on the outskirts of London. We're hoping to get to the central bit of Regent's Park before it gets dark, so we can sort of zone out and just go. What?
We're not in the outskirts of London yet.
Here we are.
Oh God.
You okay, mate? How does this compare to the TCR, mate?
Much worse.
Wow.
TCR, you have amazing scenery, apart from France.
And you're not with
Which
Francis.
I was?
This really annoys me. It shouldn't annoy me that much.
Perfectly
Right.
safe. We're on an Audax. You've got to do a hack. We stop at a petrol station.
Bend like that.
I don't know if it's actual fact. Yeah, if you chew chewing gum, it makes your stomach think you're going to have food, so it starts getting all the digestive juices flowing. So if you're having digestive problems, eat some chewing gum and it should help it move along. Or drink loads of Red Bull. That's a really good idea. Yeah, I'm going to go home.
Let's see.
Straight downhill, through Archway.
Kill it. I have every faith in you. You fucking numbers.
And then there were two. Welcome back to Regent's Park. We've just had another stop at Pret, which I didn't film. There's a man running laps in the middle of this little loop, faster than we're cycling. Well, not quite as fast. We are aiming to ride 120k in here before heading back towards Richmond. Still feeling good.
In a circle. Yeah. See you in a second. Alright, wait. Why are we doing this? Do you know?
The reason for me is I just wanted to see if I could.
Well, we should really tell the story behind it. Is that you didn't know what the Festive 500 even was.
Yeah.
And then someone told you. You sent me a text saying, do you know anyone that wants to do the 500 in one day? And I referred you to Nick Frendo, Rob Quirk, Matt Falconer, all the regulars.
People who'd be good at it.
And then we were in the pub and you said, do you know anyone that wants to do 500k in a day? I said, are you asking me, Francis, because this is the second time? And you said, yeah. And I said, no. And he bought me a few beers. And then he said, do you want to do 500k in a day? And I said, yeah. We've cycled for quite a long time, 11 hours. And I'm slightly regretting saying yeah. But it's been fun and done 500k in a day. It's not been very festive.
Did you have fun at work, mate?
It's like your measure
Hello.
jacket is doing Morse code for no more kilometres.
How are you?
You rested?
Yeah, alright actually. 5-hour shift.
I'll get on the front.
Alright.
Are you going to hit your Festive 500 as well?
I have no idea. I need to ride tomorrow. What we aim to do, another 200 tonight.
Yeah, we've got 200 more Ks to ride
Jake
now.
does maths.
So I'll do 400k today if I
that's what
stick
I'm saying,
with you.
Nearly done 500.
And I did 80 yesterday, so actually I might, I won't be far off it. Oh, I can see it. It's a bit foggy. Half the lens is foggy.
Got enough food there?
I don't know. I was considering it last week.
You enjoying yourself?
Enjoying isn't the word I would use, but
This was a great idea.
yeah, it's good fun. Good fun.
24-hour TT next. Got 107 km left. I'd like to feel my feet soon.
Yeah, I've lost feeling in my feet. Feeling pretty positive though.
Do you want to know something really good?
What?
In about 6 months, you're going to be doing like 2/3 of this distance every day across the Alps with Nick Frendo. Been a long day, Francis.
Well,
We've realised sitting down on the floor is one of the best things in the world.
quite nice.
Sunman's eating a sandwich that's been in his pocket
It's been
for 10 hours. Mine got demolished before I could get the camera out. I just cycled, but why are the people up at this time?
I know. What? Yeah.
The hell is going on?
got to get your training gains. He's
Was
probably an Ironman.
There's going to be slightly less riding footage for the remainder of this video. My lens filter is all steamed up and, in all honesty, a little bit too tired to actually pull the camera off my back and film while we're riding. It's dark anyway. So just keep you updated as the things go on. After this little stint, we're going to be heading back out of London and hit the home straight. Woo! Not vegan, mate.
Yeah.
Right, this marks the last instalment of the Festive 500 in one day. We've got about 20k left, but I'm putting the camera away. Parting ways with you. We would not have made it without all your help. And you ended up on what, 400k's?
I think by the time I get home, 400k's. Yeah.
Man,
with a 5-hour shift in between.
We've been sat on the bike for nearly 19 hours now. I would have killed to do a shift in Richmond Cycles.
You sum up this in one word.
Oh, you know what that word is. That word is epic. This was...
Correct.